Okay, so I'm going to talk about functions in Python. Remember, Python is a really great user-friendly language. First of all, we want to declare a function. What this function does is it concatenates the word ing. So basically what we are trying to do is we created a function. So this is the syntax. Whenever we are creating a function in Python, always remember to use the def keyword. We want to define a function, and then after that we have the function name, and then we pass the wd parameter or argument. Remember, the function body will start once you add the colon sign. So after the colon sign you add the logic, the body of the function. Now what we are doing is this plus operator means it's a string concatenation. Whatever input you pass, you will concatenate a string ing to that word. So this is your basic function definition. Now what we are going to do is we're going to call the function. And to call the function, we basically use the function name. And in the parameter, we are going to pass the word power. But notice that we want to pass a string. So string can be in single quotes or in double quotes. So when you do this, you run the code, and what you get is this input. So this is how you call a function in Python, and this is the function definition. Remember, after the colon sign the function body begins, which is the logic of our code. So you do need to practice.